are going to look at announcements. So your announcements are going to be a really great way to communicate with your students. You can remind them of important dates, maybe of Spirit Week. It's just going to be a really great way to communicate and just send out simple reminders of what's happening in school so that they can remember things. So from your home screen, you can go to announcements by managing subject and then find announcements. And then to create announcements, you're going to go to the blue plus sign. And then that is where you can insert your announcement. So you can do anything like a weekly announcement. You can make announcements about a test reminder, weekly reminder, anything like that. You could also do videos. So that's where you could do a YouTube video if there's something you want to include with a video. You can also do what we are going to look at later on in this presentation, which is Canvas Studio. And that is where you can record your own video and have your face or your screen presenting something to your class. So there's a lot of options for announcements as well. So you can also create your own, sorry, I'm losing my voice. You can create your own video for your class as well. There's also ways to customize this too, which I'm going to show you in another one that I've already created. So for example, I made one that was called Fun Friday, and it's already customized, and I did my little Bitmoji video here. So you can make it fun too. There's a lot of different things you can do with Canvas, but I just want to let you know that announcements are a great way to connect with your students. And what's really cool too is that with announcements, you can also have it where your kids can like your announcements, kind of like you can do likes on Facebook. So I'm going to show you under the settings, like when you are creating an announcement. So you put in your title, whatever you want that to be, and then you put in your content. And then from there, when you come down here, you can put where you want it to post. So if you have more than one course, you can choose which courses you want it to go to. If you have a file, an attachment that you want to include, flyer, banner, whatever it is that you are also wanting to send out, you can attach that here. So this part is actually really cool. This is delay posting, and this is also considered automation. So automation is basically where you can schedule a posting in advance to be automated at a specific time and date. So all you have to do is post at and then click on the calendar and select the day and time that you want your post to automatically go out. So if you're going to go on vacation, or let's say you want something to go out Sunday night, now you don't have to log in and do it manually. It will just automatically go out on its own. So you just have to set it in advance, and you can do this for every single Friday. You just have to create one for each Friday. So you can't select multiple dates on here. Like if once I select the 8th, it's the 8th. Like I can't select the 15th as well. So you do have to create one for each day, but you can do that in advance to create automatic postings. So it will save you time, and that way your weekends are your weekends. And you can choose your time down here, AM, PM, and then you just click done. And then that way it will just go out whenever you wanted it to go out. You can allow your students to comment. You can choose if they have to comment before they're allowed to see other students' responses. You can allow them to like or not to like. I actually like it when they can comment and like, just because I think that allows them to use their communication skills, right? And build that communication and discussion. So, but that's up to you. If that drives you nuts, then don't do it. But you have control if you want to allow that or not. So that is all manual control, which is perfect. So, and then same thing here. You can also embed. That is where you can embed your Google Slides. If you want to put in your virtual classroom, your Bitmojis, anything like that, this is your embed code. So that's where everything will go in here. You can do your recordings, videos, media, all of that. So really cool stuff. So that is announcements.